did this, right? Romeo, we did it. Almost. Look, 4.59 miles. Yes. We almost, well, our goal was 5. Well, my goal was 7 because I always overdo everything. That's how you become athletic. Put it out there, and if you get close to it, that's good. Still, not bad, right? We need to go to a party for what? Yeah. We do parties, we do events. Man, try Romeo. That was great. I feel actually great. I feel refreshed. And I feel amazing, darling. See? That's the last. I'm at the last portal. That's where I'm at right now, the last portal of awakening, the last one. And my last test. You want to know what it was? I'm going to tell you when I make it, when I design it, right? But it is a strong emotion that runs a lot of people's lives. Yeah, it was whack too, because deadly sin is always going to be whack.